In this lab, we will explore the practical applications of learning analytics. The lab will start with the basics, looking at LMS reporting tools, and we'll progress together to explore how to use data to improve learner outcomes. After this lab, you will understand how to use LMS reporting tools to evaluate learner performance and engagement. You will also understand the practical applications of learning analytics within the industry. People often think you need an in-depth knowledge of SQL and databases in order to delve into the world of analytics. There's no doubt that this can be helpful, but the most important thing you need is a curious mind and a question that can be answered through the data. Today's modern tools make datasets more accessible to everyone. Learning analytics can be your superpower in achieving and demonstrating business impact. So, are you ready to take the next step in your learning analytics journey? Download the brochure to learn more.
Design a better future with the Digital Learning Institute.